Welcome back to my channel, and today we're doing something different. Oh, and I forgot, my name is Valentina, and today we're doing something different. So today we're outside and we're gonna paint the floor with chalk. He said hi, his name is Mateo. Bye, Meow.
Wow.
And he's wearing a Spider-Man shirt, and he's showing his strongness. And Spider-Man is Mateo. Dark blue, light purple, and light pink. Mama, I bite Mew.
Qué lindo, Mateo is a Spider-Man. Wow. Mateo, ¿qué te hiciste?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8.
Yes, he knows how to count. Mateo made a Spider-Man, and look at Valentina's.
I made a rainbow with hearts in the middle, so tiny hearts, and a big heart with light pink.
Yeah.
Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like and subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Bye.
Bye, Mateo.
Bye.